everyone, welcome to day 10 of the 12 days of stickers. This is actually probably like my all-time favorite kit in terms of colors. And I think I said about yesterday's kit, but for someone who really likes pastels, this kit specifically was one of my favorite kits. So this is the Fall and Bloom kit, and it's just a really nice color scheme. A little bit darker, which is a little bit different from what I normally gravitate towards because I like pastels personally. But if I was gonna get a kit that was more darker, I would probably use something like this in terms of color scheme. And this is why I decided to go with these colors, obviously, because I could choose the colors. So yeah, this is the Fall and Bloom kit for day 10. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 9. And also make sure you check the description for the 12 days of deals and today's deal of the day.